Matadora at Hilton. Spanish tapas. Executive Chef Steve Lania.
Here we have the pizza kitty. Gonna put a little bit of the sweet mostarda. It's just a puree of sweet fruit, just to bring up the flavor. I add some fresh chopped chives. A little pincotto. Voila. Here we have a salt cod croquette. I'm going to serve it with a little preserved lemon aioli. Nice little pile of some fried cilantro and garnish. Voila.
Nice.
Buon appetito.
So what's in it?
That's preserved salt cod. Potatoes, onions, garlic, and then we make a cake. Bread it and fry it. And then here we have preserved lemons that we make in-house and a little fried cilantro.
Thank you, buddy.
Buon appetito. Enjoy.
What are you making, chef?
Here we have the shrimp toast. A little saffron butter. Sauteed shrimp.
That's what I'm talking about. Saffron.
A little garlic. A little red pepper flake. Little peppers. Some pickled onions. We'll saute that all up with a little white wine. Some lemon juice. And here we have a little bit of our garlic, saffron, parsley, butter. Bring that all together. Here we have the gambas with some sauteed peppers, pickled onions, a little saffron butter, some grilled garlic toast. We'll finish that off with a little flour. Buon appetito.